Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select System. Now locate and click on Backup. And here just mark information that you want to backup. So if you want to activate a full backup by Google One, just mark photos and videos and other device data like contacts, history, call history, device settings, app setup data, and messages. So once you want to backup all information, just tap on confirm, and that's it. As you can see, it is done. Click on manage backup. And as you can see now, your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours, or you can backup it right now by tapping on Backup Now. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.